Hey guys, it's been a while. I haven't done a video in over a year, so it's really weird for me to be doing this right now. But I wanted to do it because I got the Kylieskin products to see how good it is or how not so great it is. I got the products the same day that they released, this in the same hour that it was first released. And I didn't get my products until 2 weeks later, I believe. And even then, I had to pay for customs charge as well, which came up to £27. I was really upset because this cost me about, I think, £120.25 altogether, and then I had to pay the £27 on top, so I wasn't happy about that. But yeah, it took a while to get here. So it comes in this box. And yeah, it's just a pink box. It doesn't have any signs of hers, thank God, because you know people will steal that shit. People will steal it. Inside it looks like this. As you open the box, it has Kylieskin right in the middle, and yeah, her face pops out with the plastic bubble wrap to keep the stuff safe. So yeah, on here it says, hope you guys love your Kylieskin products. This is just the beginning. XO Kylie. And yeah, she looks really pretty. So I have 5 products in here. It's meant to be 6, but I kept on hearing like negative things about how the walnut scrub is not good for your face, so I didn't buy that. I have my own face scrub here anyway, so I didn't really need it. And plus, everything I had for my face was running out, so I thought, yeah, why not try this? Because I was going to buy some face product anyway, so try something new. So I got the vanilla milk toner, which is 236 milliliters. The foaming face wash, which is 149 milliliters. The vitamin C serum, which is 20 milliliters. The face moisturizer, which is 52 milliliters. And finally, the eye cream, which is 17 milliliters. So yeah, this was quite pricey. I'm gonna do it exactly how Kylie did it in her video that was showing all her products. In a sense, like I'll do it step by step, exactly the way she did it. Only thing that will be different is that I will be using my own face scrub, so keep that in mind. So first she starts with wiping off all her makeup on her face with normal wipes, or her own wipes. I didn't buy that either, I forgot to mention that. I wasn't gonna waste money and buy wipes when I can buy regular Digger wipes here. So yeah, I just got my Super Drug face wipes, and this is, I think, the ones that you take on holiday with you, but it works. So I'm just gonna quickly take off the makeup on my face. Fast forward. My eyebrow, just some gap. Okay. Okay, so that's done. My face looks really dead. Now I haven't got money like Kylie to be wasting on a nice bathroom, so we're doing it in my room, and that means we have to do it the bush way. I have my water here, and yeah, I'm just gonna have to do it that way. So she says to wet her face first a little bit so it doesn't hurt her face. So she wets her face first a little bit, just to get the face started. So I'm gonna do that. It's enough. Okay, so this is the foaming wash, really cute bottle. And she says about 1 pump, I believe, is good enough. So I'll use 1. If I have to use 2, I'll use 2. Oh my eyeball. Ugh. That was 1 pump, it just didn't want to come out. Okay, so let's try 1. Ooh, it feels really creamy already. Like it's really soft. But let's see. It smells, it has a smell. It smells like soap. Yeah, but it hasn't got a perfumey like smell. Maybe a tiny bit. I can't really put my finger on what it could be. So I like to get in between, like in the crevices of my nose, you know, and in the middle of my face. Mostly when I'm scrubbing my face I do that though. But yeah, I need to get in the corners of my face because there's always something like makeup or edge control left. But I don't want my edges to go right now, so I won't be going that far. So yeah, I'm just gonna wash this off. It feels nice, I'm not gonna lie. I didn't take off my makeup properly, as you can see. But we got the other products for that, so it's okay. It's okay, it's okay. This bush way is just so long. Oh, my eyes. Oh, Jesus. Okay. Oh my God. Okay, so she pat dries, you know, because she doesn't want to dry out her skin. Right now, I'm not gonna lie, just feels like any face wash. Like normal. I'm not getting any, there's no tingling sensation or anything like that, so yeah. My face feels nice. It feels normal, it feels soft, but then my skin isn't that dry when I wash it, you know? It looks clean. Alright, on to the next one, man. Okay, so next she uses her face scrub, but I'm obviously going to use mine. Mine's almost finished. This is the St. Eve's one. I got it in the hair shop for $3.99 in Shaba. Yeah, and this one's for sensitive skin. It's apricot mascara. I think my boyfriend's coming out of the shower. So yeah, this one she says to wet the face a bit so it's not too harsh on the face. So I'm going to do that. Okay, so I'm just going to wet my face quickly. Again. This is so messy. Never doing this again. So I use about that much, maybe less. I don't really need that much. This is where I get the most like dry skin, so I need to make sure that's scrubbed properly. Although they tell me not to scrub it when it's doing that because it makes it worse. Wash it off. And pat dry. So now that I've done that, the next one is the vanilla milk toner. Okay, so this is how the vanilla milk toner looks. Just like a normal bottle. I don't really care about these things, so yeah, it's in a bottle. But yeah, it's pink and it has Kylieskin right in the middle. It's cute. It's nice pink, baby pink color. So yeah, we're just gonna use a little bit. Let's see how much we need. Oh, what do I do this with? It's liquidy. Oh, okay, I'm an idiot. You're meant to use a cotton wool ball for these type of things. So yeah, I'm just gonna grab all of that. Add a bit more. Messy. But yeah, I'm just gonna go around my face. I'm just gonna do something for the lips after. What else does she do next? Because she said there's more coming, you know, so oh my god, I still got face scrub. Yeah, I'm gonna need more than it. I'm gonna listen this time. I'm mostly focusing on the corners. Because like I said before, that's where most of my makeup stays behind. And my eyes. So it doesn't burn your eyes so far. It feels nice. It's really making my skin soft. I like it. And so far my skin doesn't feel dry. Usually when I come out the shower, literally, I'm not gonna lie, I'm really bad with taking care of my skin. Unless I'm doing a face mask here and there. But yeah, literally all I use is the face scrub and that's it. And even then you're not meant to do it every day, but I still do. So maybe that's why my skin's turning into a pothole central. But yeah, I'm not used to this vampire, you know, I don't think I'll do this every day. I won't lie. It's really long. Yeah, so that was that. Okay, so so I had to pause the video as my boyfriend was butt naked. Next we have the Kylieskin Vitamin C Serum, and it says our vitamin C serum is packed with powerful ingredients that penetrate the skin to help brighten, reduce redness, stimulate collagen, and help improve overall skin health. So let's see. How many pumps did she say? I don't know. I'm gonna do like 2 to see how to. Well, not 2. Should I try 1 first? I'm gonna try 1. It's not come out yet. Okay, that's 1. And I'm gonna put it all over my nose. I don't like the smell of it, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, it's not my hands, so I'm just making sure. It smells like, I don't know why I'm getting like chorizo in this smell. It doesn't smell right, but let's put this on anyway. Okay, 2 might have been too many. 1 was, I think, enough. I've just been greedy. Okay, I'm just gonna put it all on my face. Rub it in. Feels nice. I don't know about serums. I did have one from when she was like hyping up Nip and Fab. So I usually use that. It's the, you know, I think it's the dragon's blood one. Yeah, I had that one. And when that, it just felt like liquid, like on your face, like when you put it in. When it dried up, your face just felt like tight, but not in a nice way. I wasn't picking my nose, I was rubbing in the cream. It didn't feel nice, it just felt like, my face felt super dry. I hated that so much. But yeah, this one's drying up and my face doesn't feel dry, so that's good. I'm gonna try it with makeup next time I do my makeup on video and see how that is, because I think she said this was really good for her makeup. But yeah, my skin feels great. Like I don't feel tight, and I haven't even put on cream yet. So yes. But yeah, moving on. So next she puts on her face moisturizer, and I'm hoping that this is really good because this is something I have a problem with the most. My skin dries out really quick, and especially in my T-zone, so like on the forehead. I don't know why it's starting to go like in my eyebrows here as well. It gets really dry. Around here, around my nose especially as well, and here. I don't know why. I'm just so unlucky. And it's starting to happen here. Here is really drying out, so I'm hoping the eye cream as well will help my skin come back to life as well. And sometimes here. But again, I haven't been taking care of my face. I've been scrubbing my face every day, so that's not good. Don't do that. Don't copy me. So this is how the bottle looks, and I like the bottle. Do you know what? I like all of them. I'm gonna show you all of them together after. But the bottles are really cute all together, and it does stand out. Like if this was sitting on my table, you wouldn't notice this because it's just everything is like everything's colourful, but then it's like washed out. I don't know how to explain it. Like this really pops out, maybe because it's baby pink, but yeah. So I'm going to try one little spray. This is how the bottle looks, by the way. It's quite cute indeed. So yeah, 1 squeeze, not spray. Hasn't come out yet. Oh, finally. Okay. So that's 1 pump right there for you. Yeah, that's not gonna be enough, man. But I try it. No, not enough. Okay. Oh, okay. It feels really nice. I like it. I'm not gonna lie. That's the 2nd pump. Yeah, she's right when she said it feels like thick. You can feel it on your skin, which I like. I like to feel like I'm moisturized. Let's see how it feels when it dries up. But yeah, so far I hate the wateriness of creams, but this one feels like it's gonna stay on. My face is still gonna feel hydrated after I finish rubbing it in and letting it set. Ooh. And like she said, it doesn't feel oily. Ooh, my skin looks good. It's been a while, man. My lips look chapped, but you know, I'll put on some Vaseline quickly. Cocoa butter, somebody. Last but not least, we have the eye cream, and it comes in a bottle like this, really cute. Again, it has a head like this, so you're able to directly put it on. Okay, it's not perfectly done. So you're able to just directly put it under your eye. Let's see. So one squeeze, and we'll rub that in. Okay, there's this little piece on the end. I can't show you, but it's scratching me, and I can't get it off, so I just have to deal with it for now. Scratch my eye. Ouch. Yeah, oh my god. Okay, I don't know if I made that worse. I think I made it worse. I'm just gonna put that here, and I'm gonna put that's probably two to three squeezes now. Too much. Put that on that eye. Ow, no, I feel I'm gonna have to use my finger because this hurts. I think two squeezes you'll need with this. Depends how hard you squeeze it, to be honest. I can't really give you a good estimate. Okay, I'm just gonna use my fingers because I can't. It's hurting me. This eye is sore. So far it feels nice. That little application wasn't so nice, but it was just that little corner. I don't know what happened there. They didn't really shave it down properly, I don't know, or smooth it out, sorry. And it hurt. My eye's stinging here now. Again, the smell of this isn't nice at all. Like, it smells like old products. What the hell? No, my face, when my boyfriend kisses me, it's gonna stink. It's gonna be smelling me some type of... This one feels greasier, I'm not gonna lie. But it feels nice. And this is how my face looks, guys. My eyes are kind of stinging me here where it's scratched, but it's okay. But my skin looks smooth, it feels soft. Now that the moisturizer has set in, it still feels smooth. Like, I don't feel tight anywhere, because with like my usual creams I'm having to like top it up at least 3 times, and then it's gotten to the point I'm using, I was using at the moment, the dual action moisturizer from Clean & Clear, and it's oil free, so maybe that's why, but it wasn't doing anything for me. It was like putting on water on my face just to give it moisture for that split second. So I was starting to put on my bloody body cream on my face just to give it a little bit of like oil in there, which isn't good because it's giving me spots now. And yeah, I wouldn't recommend putting this on your face. So yeah, now that I have this, I'm really happy. I don't feel like I wasted my money, which is great because I was really worried about that. But yeah, I'm going to show you how it looks all together in a bundle without trying to drop them on. This is how the bottles look. Forgive me on my nails. They're like really cute, so it would stand out, especially if I like put it on the edge of my window, but then I'm scared that if I leave it in the sun, something's going to happen to it. So maybe not, but yeah, it'll just look nice, especially in a white background. They'll really stand out. It's cute. Thank you guys. I promise you I'm back now. I'm gonna do videos, not just of makeup, but also of makeup, of course, because you know, what is this channel without makeup? I'm gonna try and post more often because now I have no uni, I finished, I graduated, yes. So if you want to see these videos, subscribe, please like, and tell everyone I'm back, and turn on your post notifications for the next video.